Well, today we're going to be building a 3D printed kit of Obi-Wan Kenobi's lightsaber. So on my recent trip to Galaxy's Edge, I bought the Obi-Wan Kenobi costume, but I didn't get a lightsaber because it's difficult to get. My GoPro just said battery too low. Okay, I have to have a look at that. Yeah, it's difficult getting them through customs. It's the only airport I know, Orlando International and Melbourne International, the only airports that when you're putting your bag check-in, they actually ask you, do you have lightsabers? Which is bizarre. So this is a 3D printed kit. I got a new little bamboo A1 Mini, which is just a stonkingly good little printer. It's printing an APC at the moment. And halfway through Lego Rivendell. Just so many things going on. So I downloaded this kit from Bamboo's own sort of kit library, and I think it's one that's meant to be lit up, but I'm going to just build it as a prop lightsaber. I don't think I'll light it up. It does have a crystal chamber, which I might make just to see what it looks like. But yeah, so I've 3D printed it all in the different colours, and this is a multicolour printer I've got, so you can do different things with it. I said some of these parts I probably won't use if I'm not putting the batteries and that in, but we'll see how it goes. So yeah, I'm going to start building. Okay, so the first part is done. Just basically pushes together. It's such a nice fit. I do like it's still got the patent, and on this bit it's still got the Graflex on it. It's quite clever. I think this should have been more of a silvery colour. But I don't want to paint it, because if I paint it, it is going to show up every single line. I quite like the grey, so it's going to be my version of a lightsaber. Okay, so the crystal chamber was very difficult to do. You know, there's a few breaks here and there. I need to glue that bit. But it does look quite nice. I had to replace some stuff with toothpicks. 3D printing these sort of thin, it'd probably be better doing it in resin, but yeah, I think that looks pretty good. And then the Graflex bit has gone onto the Browning weapon part, so coming along. Okay, so it's all gone together. It was quite an easy build, very fragile but quite easy. So you've got I think it's a Rolls Royce part and some engine parts and some gun parts and a cold tap head. And then this one, it's got a switch, so if you put the light in, you can use that to make a switch. Your Texas calculator bit. And then this one does actually come apart. And it's just magnets holding it together. And you've got the crystal chamber, which like I say you can light up. And it just slots back in. You have to get it the right way around for it to grip. There we go. So, and it's quite a nice sized lightsaber, hilt. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that. It was a good 3D print, and it took about 5 hours to print, because it was one plate of black, one silver, one grey, one bronze. But yeah, Obi-Wan Kenobi's lightsaber. Happy with that one. If you want to see more 3D printed ones, let me know, because I am printing a lot of stuff at the moment, a lot of kits. And please like and subscribe if you can, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks then. Bye.